Namaste everyone. In the last tutorial, I have integrated two of the best payment gateway system in our e-commerce website, that is eSewa and Khalti. When we add product into the cart and checkout, and if you go to checkout, you have to use your customer credential, and after that, if you put the information, then you are asked to choose one of the three payment gateway system, that is cash on delivery, Khalti and eSewa. And if you choose Khalti from here and add some information, if you go to confirm, then pay with Khalti, and Khalti will prompt its mobile banking, Khalti wallet system, e-banking system, connect IPS and other system. And if you enter your information, your order will be placed and you can pay with Khalti. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to add a feature that a product will have multiple images in our system. So for this, I have to go to our models here, and let's go to the product model here. Here is only one image accepted. So if you have to accept multiple images in your product, like other e-commerces, Daraz, Sustodil, etc. or Amazon, you can make another model that is named with product image. Okay, you can name the model whatever you want, but I want to make product image so that we can recognize it after some time. Okay, so models.model, and here I need to relate it with our product model. So product is models.orient key with our product model, and on delete models.cascade. And if you do this, if a product is deleted, then its product image will also be deleted, the related product image will also be deleted. So and I want to add image here, and for this models.image field, upload to will be products/image. You can define the folder name here, and you can also write str method here, and return self.product.title. okay, you have to return string from here. So since you added another model class here, you need to make a migrations file. So to make a migrations, let's write a command python manage.py make migrations. Okay, if you do this, this will create a migration file in our migrations folder. You can see that ID, image and product are three fields in the in our product image model. Okay, so you can remove it from here, and after that I need to use migrate command to make actual database table. Okay, so let's run our server again, and to show this model class in our admin site, you need to register it in admin. So let me go to the admin, and I can write product image here. Okay, so our product image is registered in our admin site. So let's check our admin site. If you go in incognito window from here, new incognito window, and now here admin is our admin link, and I think admin is my username and password for admin. So here product image is here, and currently 0 product image. Okay, so let me create one. Let me choose for Rolex watch, and if I choose image here, so where is Rolex watch? Rolex watch is here, but I want to choose other watch image. Okay, this watch, let me create this one. Rolex watch image is created, and let me add another image for that Rolex watch. This is also another watch, so let's add the image. I don't have other images, so let's create another thing for SP laptop. Okay, so in laptop section, and this is laptop, only one laptop in our system. let me download another image here. Okay, if you go to here and search for HP laptop, you can see multiple images here, and let's download a single image. Let's download it. Save image is laptop HP. Okay, so also this image laptop HP. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. And let me go to my admin panel. Here is my admin panel, and I'm going to search for HP. Okay, so there are many HP laptops, so let's select it and let's upload it. And also I want to add another product image for that laptop. Okay, so this is another image. Okay, I think the image is repeated. This is another image, so let me make it. And now we have two product image object for HP laptop and two product image object for Rolex watch. So let's go to our client side and let's go search for Rolex watch, ROLEX, and here Rolex watch is here, but here you can see only one image is shown. So I want to show other images of this product in our detail page. Okay, so to make it working, you have to go to product detail page. Okay, so let's go to the product detail page. Where is the product detail page? If you can find the product detail page, you can do Control P here and search for product detail, and here the template is shown, and let's click here. So just below this image I want to show other images. Okay, so first I want to modify this by writing 4 here and by writing 8 here. So the row, these are the two columns of the this is the first column and this is the second column of this row. Okay, according to Bootstrap, and there should be 4 plus 8 equals to 12 column inside a row. So just after that image I want to make a row class here, and in row class I want to use for loop for pi, means product image object. Okay, this is just a for loop variable in product image underscore set. So this syntax is I already explained this syntax to you. So if you want to get all product image objects related to that product, you have to use reverse relationship. So in foreign key, reverse relation should be object of this product dot this name in lowercase underscore set dot all. Okay, so let me go to the product detail page. Inside the product detail page, this product is our product object. Okay, so what you can do is you can write product. This is the product object that is sent from our views here, and for pi in product dot, you need to copy this model name and modify it so that all alphabet will be in lowercase, and we have to write underscore set here and dot all here. Okay, so this will get all the product image object related to this product. Okay, this product means this product object, and after that you can do and for here, and inside it you can use div dot col dash md dash 4. Okay, and this will loop, this column will be looped, and if there are 3 images then it will have 4 columns. Okay, sorry, 3 columns of size 4, and here you need to write img tag, and pi is the product image object, and I want to get this image from that product image. So pi dot image dot url. To show image you have to use this URL like this. Okay, and after that I want to use a bootstrap class img fluid so that our image will be responsive. So if you refresh the page and see it, you can see 2 images here. So let me make little margin here. Let me add little margin here. I am to bg, no bg, let's go to create a style here, and background color this azure. Okay, so I am making it little bit darker. Okay, so let's refresh our page. You can see that in the area is covered now, and if you don't like it, you can remove it. Okay, so I am removing it just to make it more simple, and I want to add a little margin from here, little padding from here, padding 3, so that our image are a little bit margined. Okay, so you can also set style here to fix the height of 100 px, and after that you can use object fit contain here or cover, so that height will be fixed for both of the image. So if you go to home page, and I think we can search for laptop here, and HP laptop is here, and HP laptop also contains 2 extra images. Okay, this is another image, this is the display image, and these are the product image object related to this HP laptop. Okay, so in the client side we have made this things working, but what I want to add is I want to add a product edition feature with multiple images. Okay, so let's go to let's remove this admin.py from here, and let's remove this product detail from here, and now we are in our models. We have forms, we have URLs, and we have views. So if you log this out and log into our admin panel, you can see that here is our admin panel. I think ecom admin is our admin, and admin @123 is our password. So here you can see all orders. This is our admin panel. Okay, so here home, all orders, visit site. Okay, so now I want to add all products here and products edition feature. So let's go to our urls.py and add another path here. The path will be admin dash, and I also neglected admin dash products slash list. Okay, and you can name your view as admin product list view. Okay, view may underscore as view is the required method in class based view, and name will be admin product list. Okay, so here you have to make this view in views.py. so go below your code here and define it as a class, and admin required mixin will be the first inheritance, and second is the list view. Okay, list view will list all the items. So to make list view, you have to write template name attribute, another is not form class, query set, and the third is context object name. Okay, so you have to define these 3 attributes to make a list view. Okay, so inside template name I need to write admin pages slash admin product list .html. Okay, this page will be responsed, and in query set I need to write product.objects.all, and I also can order them with negative of the ID, so that latest item will be shown first. And for context object name is the attribute that defines the name of the data that is sent to this page. Okay, so I want to send this all products with the name all products. Okay, you can name your context object name whatever you want. So the thing remaining is we have to make this template inside our admin pages. So let's make it, and according to our template inheritance, we have to extends our admin pages admin base.html in our admin product list page, and here we have block title tag to define our page title. So page title will be all products. You can write whatever you want, and you have to end that block. And we have another block to show our main content, block content, and the closing tag is end block. Okay, so let's define a container class here, div with the container class container. Okay, so after that what you need to do is div.row and div.col. I'm using bootstrap row column concept here, and I want to define the column size col-md-12. okay, so inside it I'm giving a heading of all product list from here. Okay, so after that let's use SR tag here, and below this I want to make a table here, table, and inside the table there is a two thing, t head and the t body. Okay, so inside the t head you can define a row, and inside the row you can define the column of that represents the column table heading. Okay, so first is SN, second is product title, third is product image, fourth is price, fifth is views. Okay, so here what you can do is you can use for loop for p in what is the context object name, all products is the context object name, so you have to look through that query set. Okay, so look through that list. So and for, and inside it use tr, and in tr you have to use td to show the table data. Okay, to show the SN or serial number we have to use for loop.counter. This will count our for loop and write the result 1 2 3 4 etc. And also I want to show the title here. The in our case p is our for loop variable which represent each product object. Okay, so here I have to use p the title. In here to show image I have to use img tag. Okay, so let's use img tag here. Okay, in the img tag we have to define the source p.image.url. okay, so also I want to fix the height of the image is 75 px. okay, so also I need another td, to show the price of the product. p dot I think selling price is our price. Okay, so I also need to show the view count. Okay, view count, I need to confirm the field name. Okay, this is the view count. So you can go to the list page and copy and paste it, and if you refresh the page here, here we forgot to write the menu, so let's go to our admin base and copy the order list in the new line, and instead of order we need to show product list. Okay, and inside here we need to replace it with products, all products. Okay, so if you refresh the page you can see all products is also here. If you go here you can see the table. Okay, but the table is not so good, so I need to go to the product list page, and inside the table tag I need to define a bootstrap class table that will make our table more better. Okay, you can see our table is better than the previous one, and also you can use table striped so that the table will be shadowed in alternate manner. So this is our product list page. You can see all products. You can also decrease the height of the image. Okay, so let's make it just 60 px so that our table will be little bit smaller. Okay, so now you can see that sari is viewed 2 times, K95 max is viewed 4 times. So let's check if it's working or not. If you go for sari now, at first sari was viewed 2 times. Now if you refresh the page, now sari is viewed 3 times. Okay, so it's working. If you go for another product, and if you go for Apple iPhone X, and it's viewed just 1 time, so in case our Apple iPhone X, where is Apple iPhone X? Here is Apple iPhone X. it is viewed 0 times. It was viewed 0 times, but I viewed it here. So if we refresh it, now it is viewed 1 time. Okay, so I need to use another feature from here. Okay, so inside our urls.py I can make another path for creating the product, creating the product. So instead of list I want to write add here, and admin product create view, or add view will be our view name, and the name of the URL will be admin product create. You can write whatever name you want here, you can make whatever pattern here, and you can use whatever this class name here, but I am going to write admin product create view. Okay, this is simple name, and if you go here class admin product create view and use admin required mixin, so that only admin can create the product. Okay, so and here instead of list view we need to use create view. I think I have already imported this create view. Here you can import the create view Django from django.views.generic. Okay, also if you go here to inherit the create view, you have to define some attribute here. The first attribute will be template name, second attribute will be form class, and the third attribute will be success URL. Okay, the first attribute template name will be admin pages slash admin product create.html, but you can name your HTML file whatever you want. Okay, also in the form class I will write product form, but this form is not made yet. I will make it after some time, and here I need to return the pattern like this. Okay, that is admin dash product slash list like this. Okay, so you can also call reverse lazy function here, and inside it you can pass the ecom app and the URL name will be admin product list. Okay, so this success URL will redirect the user to the admin product list page. Okay, admin product list just after the product is created. Okay, so it is clear that this program will give the error since product form is not defined. So I am going to define it in our forms.py. So let's go to our forms.py in the extreme below, and let's define it, and this will be not only form. Okay, this will be modal form, and modal form is the form that is that will show the fields of this product form. Okay, product form. So inside our modal form we have to define extra class, that is meta class, which defines the property of this product form. Okay, the first attribute in the meta will be modal, so modal will be the product, and I think product is not imported here, so let's import product from our models since product is defined in our models. And also product is the model is the first meta attribute, and fields is the second meta attribute that we have to write. So inside the fields we will add some fields from this model so that these are shown in our HTML page or form. Okay, so title, slug, category, image, mark price, title, slug, category, image, marked price. I think selling price is also there. Selling price, if you feel difficult you can place it here and you can compare it, but there are some few fields remaining. Description, warranty, return policy. Okay, description, warranty, and return underscore policy. Okay, so now let's save the thing, and if you do this you can see that unknown fields warranty. Okay, I think the warranty is misspelled and there is double R, so I need to copy it and paste it here. Okay, so let's go to our command prompt, and if it is not refreshing, then we have to run it again. Run server. Now you can see product form is not defined, but what happened, we have already defined this product form, but it is not it is saying it is not defined. So you have to go to views.py line number 465. okay, views.py line number 465. okay, I think I have forgot to import it in our from our forms. okay, so from dot forms we have imported few of the forms. I need to import another form, that is product form. okay, so I have imported this product form here. So if you see it from dot forms, import this most form. okay, so now if you don't want to import all of them like this, you can use asterisk here. okay, so this will import all the form classes that are defined in the forms.py. so let me place it here just below the models. So I have imported everything from our forms and everything from our models. okay, so let's go to our views, and if you go here, this template does not exist. So let's make this template in our admin pages. So let's make a new file here, and our new file will be will inherit the admin base page. So extends admin pages slash admin base.html. for title, let's use block title tag to define our title. Add new product will be our title, and it should be ended and block, and after that you have to write block content here and block. okay, block content and block here. Let's make div.container class container div for here, and div.row, and inside it div.scroll-md dash only a size of 8 not 10, and I also want to use mx-auto, so that our 10 column will be margined automatically from left and right. okay, mx means margin x-axis. so let's define a s3 tag here to make a title. Add new product will be our title, and just below the title we'll use as our tag to make horizontal line, and inside it we need to make a form here. The method of the form will be post. okay, and since we are uploading image from here, we need to define ink type, and the ink type value will be multi-part form data. If you don't want to upload image from this form, you don't need that, but I'm going to upload images from here, so I need that. And you also know that in the post method you need csrf token. okay, so this csrf token will be required to post the data from our client side to the backend. okay, otherwise Django will not allow us to send the post request. okay, so after that what I need to do is I need to show the form in the paragraph as a paragraph, and after that I need to make a button, and the button will have submit data. okay, to make this button a little bit better, let's use bootstrap class btn-info. okay, let me fix my Wi-Fi first, so let me turn off and turn on, so that our bootstrap will load from our internet. okay, but it's not connecting. I think there is a problem in my Wi-Fi, and let's save it. And if you go to your product list, and just below the all product list heading, you can write a tag here and add new product product, and this will make easy for product aid navigation. Okay, so here in the href I need to write ecom app admin product list. Now there is a feature in our admin side, so let's go to our admin side. I think this is our admin side, and if you go to all orders and if you go to all products, you can see add new product here. Okay, so if you click that, nothing is displaying here. So let's go to our all products here, and the mistake is I put admin product list here, but instead of list I need to use create. Okay, so let's confirm the name here. This is admin product create, so let's copy it and paste it in our admin product list so that we can go to the product create page from our product list page. Okay, so let's go here, and you can see the form is shown here. So you can, what is the possibility here, you can enter title, slug, category and other things. And I also want to add some styles into that form so that you can style it more better. And for that, what I need to do is I need to go to my forms.py, and just below the fields I need to add widgets here. Okay, so if you want to customize your form field, you can define your widgets here. Okay, so inside I want to customize this title here. So in title, the widget of the title is forms.text input. Okay, and inside it you can define attributes in the dictionary. Widget should also be a dictionary. Okay, so I'm defining the attributes. In the attributes you can define class attributes. I'm defining form control class, and this is the bootstrap class that will make our input field responsive. Okay, so if you go to your page and refresh the page, you can see that our title field is longer than the previous one. Okay, so also you can also define another attribute just like in HTML. Okay, placeholder, and inside the placeholder you can write enter the product title title here. Okay, this will create a placeholder inside it so that user can understand what is being asked here. Okay, so also if you place comma here, you can do the same thing for the slug. So let me copy this one, and if you copy this one and write slug here, enter the unique slug here. Okay, unique slug here. So if you refresh the page now, it is changed to the new field types. Okay, also you can do it for category, and for category is not text input. Okay, this should be forms.select, and inside the select you can define attributes, and inside the attributes you can define class form control. Okay, form control. Category will not, this select input will not accept placeholder. Okay, so you don't have to write placeholder there. You can see that category is also now longer, and you can do it for image too. And let's make for image forms dot clearable file input. Okay, so this will make our work more easy in the update view. Class, okay, what happened? So let's define a class form dash control image in clearable file input will also not accept a placeholder. Okay, so you don't have to write placeholder. Also there is a mark price, there is a selling price, you can do for all. Okay, marked price will be forms dot, this is number input. Okay, number input, they are not actually text, they are number. So attrs equals to class form dash control and placeholder will be marked price of the product. Okay, dot dot dot, and I want to copy the same thing for selling price, and let's go here and write selling here. Okay, selling price, and here we should replace the marked price with selling price of the product. Okay, now if you refresh the page, now your form is better than the previous one. And also here is a description field, so in the description field let's define a description. The spelling of the description is here, let's paste it here, and forms dot, this is actually text area. Okay, this is not text input. Text input will be one line field and text area will be multi-line field. Okay, for longer text. And attrs will be class form dash control will be our class, and you can also define placeholder here, and placeholder description of the product, just this. Okay, so let me refresh it. You can see description of the product. You can also write, and you can also add another product. You can also write comma here and add new attribute rows, and in rows you can define 4, so that our input field will be of 4 line, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and you can also write 5 here if you desire, and if you refresh it, it will be little bit bigger. And for warranty and return policy, you can also use this text input field. Okay, so I am going to copy it so that it will be faster. And for this is not for title, this is for warranty, and this is for return policy. Okay, RTURN, return policy, and enter product return policy, enter product warranty here. Okay, so if you refresh the page, now your form is little bit better than the previous form. Okay, so also the main theme of our today's tutorial is we need to get the opportunity to add multiple images in a product. So if you go to product model, there is only one image, which is this image field, not this image field. But what we are going to do is we are going to add multiple images. For that, we have made this product image model that is related to the product class with the relation foreign key or many to one relationship. Okay, that is one product may have multiple product image, but one product image can have only one product. Okay, this is many to one relationship. So what I need to do is I need to make another field that will accept multiple images. If you check this image field and want to select multiple images from your system, it will not allow to select multiple images. You have to use control and click the each image you want, but it is not allowing us since this only accepts single image. So I need to make another image field, but this image field is not from our database. Okay, so I'm going to make a custom field. To make a custom field, we have to go to just below the just below this product form and just above the meta class. Okay, so here more images will be our field name. Okay, this is forms dot file field. Okay, so first of all we have to define the field name. We don't have to define the field name of the title, slug, category, image, etc. since the field name of these are already defined in our model class. Since these are our models, you can see that all the fields are defined here, but this field, for more image, we have to define a new field. Okay, this is forms.file field, and inside it I need to make it required equals to false, so customer do not have to upload the more image. Okay, and also I want to add widget here, and widget is forms.file input. Okay, the difference between clearable file input and the file input is that clearable file input is used in update view to show the previously uploaded image, and there is a feature to remove that image, but the file input will not allow us that. So here, since this is our custom field, we are using file input here, and inside file input you can define attrs just like here. So attrs is available inside the widgets, not in the field. Okay, so where you have to define the widget. Here is widget only, not here is widgets. Okay, so this is for all the fields, and this is for the single more image field. Okay, so here widget is available, here widgets is available. So in the attributes, you can define class form-control just like the fields below, and the thing that I want to show you is I want to define multiple here and to true here. Okay, so if you define multiple true, you can upload more image. So if you refresh the page now, you can see extra more image field is here. So if you go here and select multiple image using control key, and you can upload multiple file from here. Okay, so all the fields that are from the meta class are saved automatically, but our form will not save this more image, since this is our custom field. This is our custom field, it is not saved by our database, our create view itself. So we have to make some mechanism to cache the more image and create the necessary objects from that. So we have to make a platform to handle our form. So for this we have form valid method available here. This will take self and form as an argument, and we need to return super.form valid and form, and inside it we are adding our logic. Okay, so we don't need this form valid method to create our product. Okay, our product is created using this create view. We don't need this, but why do we need this? We need this to handle the more image from the form. Okay, so if user upload more image from here, we have to save them and make this product image object that is related to the object which is being created. Okay, so let's go here and let's save our product first. I just write p as a variable, and inside it I want to save the form. Okay, I want to save this form, and our product is now created using this line. Okay, here, and the created product will be assigned to the p variable. So just created product will be stored in this p variable for our future use inside this form valid method. Okay, so also I want to get more images. Okay, mis, I will write mis variable, or you can write more images here. Okay, and you have more images, you can define your variable name what you want. Okay, images, and I just write images here, and I want to get the values of this field. Okay, this field means this field. Okay, so since multiple images can be uploaded from here, we need to write self.request, since it is a post request and file is the response. We need to write files here. Okay, self.request.file will cache the file uploaded from that. Okay, and get is the method to get the data from that input field, and the input field name is this more image, and we have to write more images here. Okay, this will get the value of this more image from field. But since we know that there is multiple images in the single image input, we need to write get list here. Okay, so now images will store all the images that is uploaded from more images field from our form. Okay, so since they are multiple, we can use for loop here for I in images. Okay, we can use for loop, and inside that for loop what we are doing is we are creating the new object of this product image class. Okay, so let's go to the our views.py and let's make it product.objects.create, and to create the product image what we need is we need this product and image. Okay, so for product we need to give this p, since p is our product, and after that for image I need to give this for loop variable I, since this I holds image. That is, if you upload four images from this more image field, that 4 images will be first stored in this our images variable, and since images contains 4 images, I am using for loop to get each and every item of the image. Now I will be the image, and if image 1 image 2 are the images, then in the first iteration I will be image 1, and in the second iteration I will be image 2, in the third iteration I will be image 3, and so on. And inside that for loop we are creating a product image object, and the product image object this product image object is related to the p product which is just created in the above logic. Okay, so now I think our everything is correct now. So let me go to the product create form here. So if you go to home and go to all products, now you can see add new product here. Let's go to add new product, and let's fill this information. Okay, I have downloaded water jar image, so I'm making this water jar slug water jar, and category will be clothing and fashions. No category is related, but I'm choosing clothing and fashions for now, and after that water jar. Okay, I'm going to upload this image, since you know that this will only accept one image. Okay, so marked price will be 350 and selling price will be 300. Description will be this is the strongest jar. Okay, and I want to fix my connection first. Always breaking the Wi-Fi connection, not connecting still. I need to choose my Wi-Fi, and not connecting. I think there is a problem in my wireless driver. Ignore that problem. And warranty, no warranty. Return policy, no return policy. And more in the more image section you can upload multiple images. Okay, so I have another 2 jar image here. You can see I have selected 2 jar image. If you want to upload other images, for example, I want to include this masoor dal. Okay, so now if I open them, and you can see that here is 3 extra files here. One file is here and other 3 files are here. Now if you submit the data, I think the data is successfully created, since it redirected us to our product list page, and you can see that latest product is shown here. Now if you go to our e-commerce home page, and you can see that there is a water jar. Why is it not working? Let's turn it on, and let's select the Wi-Fi network, and not connecting. I think there is a problem. No, connected. Okay, so let's go to the title page of the jar, you can see that this is the first image and these are other images uploaded in the chapter. So we have successfully implemented multi-image upload for a single product. Okay, now user can view more images from here. Also, if you want to show your image in detail, you just have to go to the detail page here. No, where is the detail page? Product detail. Okay, so you can go to the product detail and you can cover it with a tag. Okay, if you want, you can cover it with the a tag, and after that you can copy this src and put it here, and you can also use target attribute here and underscore blank so that user can click the image to view in large, and it will be opened in the next tab. Okay, so if you go and refresh this, now you can click this image. Okay, so if you click this masurda, it will be open in our new page. Okay, if you click it, user can view it in large size. Okay, so I think our today's theme is complete. So I'm going to make it revise it again. So let's go to our models.py first. First of all, I added a models product image model which is related to our product model in many-to-one relationship. That is, one product may have multiple product image object, and a product image object can have only one product object related. Okay, this is many to one relationship, and due to this we can have multiple images of a single product. You can see that feature in Daraz, in Alibaba, in Amazon, etc. Okay, product has multiple images, and I have made this form, product form, and these all these fields are from our model field, and this is the single field is the custom field that we made. Okay, this is custom field, it is not defined anywhere. I defined it here, and it is shown in our forms, our HTML page. Okay, you can see that in our admin page we can create a new product, and here more images is seen. Okay, so I have added two new URLs for product list and product create. And for product list, this is simple list view, and in the product create view I have used the logic to handle our form. Inside the logic, first of all, I saved the form manually so that the just saved object is achieved in our p variable, and this is used here. You can see p is used here. If you don't have to use here, we don't need to write p equals to form.save. Those data is automatically created, but the created we need that created object, so we did that. And I got the images from our self.requested file. This you can use get, or you can use post here for text related data, but for file related data you have to use files here. Okay, if you want to get single data, you just have to write get, and if you want to get a list of data, you have to use get list. Okay, since users can upload multiple images from that more image field, we used get list. Okay, since the values are multiple, we have used for loop, and if there are 4 images uploaded by the user, then we have created 4 image objects, but the image objects are related to this p object. Okay, just created product object. Since this is the product form, if we save this product form, the product is created, and this is the single product, and these since it is in for loop, multiple product image objects are created. And in this way also I want to show you the template, create template. And in the create template, and the new thing is ink type here. Since we are uploading image from our form, we are using ink type. Okay, there are two image field. You can see that here is also image field and here is also image field. The images are the media, uploaded image are the media file. So to upload media file we need to use ink type. This will define the form type, and both text related data or character text related data and media file related data are uploaded from our single form. Okay, in this way we can create we can have multiple images for a single product. If you have any confusion in this tutorial section, you can write that confusion in the comment section and I will reply in the understanding way. And thanks for watching.